We want to transfer the knowledge globally by leveraging technology. And then the mission is that we can leverage either Google Hangout or webinar platform to share the expertise around the world by engaging the experts wherever they are. Back home in India, when we are working with the engineering students who are technically brilliant, but they spend very little time on building up the soft skills, and they do not have enough quality management principles or practices exposure. And that's why it's very important to impart this knowledge to them while they are still in universities, and then they can begin to use some of this knowledge while they are studying, get ready for job placements, and once they enter the workforce, these issues and the knowledge they have gained will serve them very well personally and will benefit the organization. We take a session at a time where about 50 to 55 minutes of straight presentation, including some YouTubes to make it exciting for a given topic. And then we have about 20 to 25 minutes Q&A session, and that allows the completion of the topic across the medium and across the board. Now, what we do is Google Hangout allows total 10 nodes to be connected. I occupy one node. The remainder of the 9 nodes where people could be sitting at various locations globally and can engage in learning and getting the knowledge. All you need is a stable internet connection, a laptop, a screen, LCD projector, a microphone for Q&A, a conference room, and that's all basically you need. And a Gmail account is required for the originator of the Google Hangout. Indian Institute of Technology, IIT BHU in Varanasi, India. Now, this is where students, which are top 0.75% of the nation's youth, get the admission. And they spend 4 to 5 years at the campus to pick up the engineering discipline. Now, their soft skills are lacking. And to augment that, we started a Google Hangout back in August of 2014. And where what happens is, students are sitting in 9 different dormitories, and they use their laptop to connect for the Google Hangout. And I take a topic, share the knowledge, answer their questions, and simultaneously, when we use the Google Hangout, and YouTube is created, which is shared now with 6,500 students, faculty, and administrator at the campus. And we have completed 4 Hangouts so far, and within next year, starting in August, we'll be completing the remainder of the 8 from the series. We, in the 21st century, we can leverage the technology to take this knowledge base we have in ASQ and transfer that knowledge as a gift. And in this particular area where I am working on, it's a free gift of knowledge transfer leveraging technology. And that gives you so much more resources at your disposal by engaging the people with expertise in different areas to come and share that knowledge and make the world a better place to live.